first step is a spatula. We're going to start with just a simple straight line, and on two sides we're going to draw in a curve, and then right in the middle where they're supposed to meet, instead we're going to draw in a handle, and right in the middle of the spatula we're going to draw an upside down teardrop and one on each side to complete the spatula. Next step, we are going to be drawing a whisk. So we're going to start with this really skinny oval, and then we're going to draw kind of funny two lines around the side, and we're just going to draw in the little parts of the whisk right in between. Really simple, really easy whisk. The salt and pepper, what we're drawing next. So of course you can just master one. You don't have to draw both. You can just draw salt or pepper, but it's basically an oval, and then it looks like it's kind of wearing a dress is the best way I can describe it. You'll notice mine are not symmetrical or identical, and that's okay. And then I like to add in these little dots and write S&P in the middle to complete my little salt and pepper. Last but not least, we're drawing butter. And so I'm going to start off with this square, and basically what it's going to turn into is a rectangular prism, and that's going to kind of signify the butter. And then I'm going to draw a small little line around the bottom to make it look like it's sitting on a dish. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys later.